Okay, this first activity is just a basic matching activity, and we're talking about output devices. Now, some of you might be wondering what an output device is. An output is anything that comes out of the computer and interacts or sends some sort of information to people in the world. So, like your monitor on your computer, where you can see stuff, that's an output. So with the microbit, you just did a bunch of input devices. Now we're doing output, so you're going to use stuff to send information out into the world. But I want you to know what the output devices are first. So to do that, you're going to need to watch this video that you're watching right now to learn what the output devices are, and then go in. So it's another one of those Google drawings. So if you didn't see how I got in there, it's right here. You double click on it, and it'll open it up, and then you have these text boxes with the names of the different output devices. You just need to move and match them up to where they go. So the servo is this one right here. It's this blue thing. It has this little this thing that I'm pointing at right here will rotate around, so you can create basic little motors with this. But it's called a servo. The LED board. This next part's kind of hard because there's 3 different LED options, which I think they should have named them something different. But the LED board is this one right here, and those can be broken off into separate LEDs, and they can be put back together, so they're kind of like Legos. The LED grid we've used before, and that's on the actual microbit. That's the LED grid where you made your message and stuff. The individual LED light is the one right here that looks like just one like Christmas light bulb, and then the buzzer is this one right here. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.